Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I am making this delicious cracked slaw. You may also have heard of it, called Eggroll in a bowl. It's ready in under 20 minutes. It is full of flavor and vegetables. You can find the recipe on my blog, jenniferbands.com, by searching cracked slaw. Okay, for this cracked slaw, eggroll in a bowl, whatever you want to call it, we are cooking some sausage. This is ground breakfast sausage that we want to cook and crumble. And then what's so great about this cracked slaw, it is such an easy, like 20-minute meal you can throw together on any weeknight, and it is so quick. And what we're going to add to it are some mushrooms, some minced garlic, some sesame oil, some soy sauce, rice vinegar, and some already grated ginger. So we're just going to cook and crumble this sausage until it's cooked all of the way through. Okay, our sausage is all cooked, so now we can add in the rest of our ingredients. We've got our chopped mushrooms and our minced garlic. And if you don't know, now you know. I buy already minced garlic, and I buy already, let me use a spoon for that, already grated ginger. So now we need the rice vinegar, the soy sauce, the sesame oil. I'm going to stir this up and scrape any of the brown stuck-on stuff off of the bottom as best as you can. And then we can add in our cabbage. I just buy a bag of coleslaw mix, and all it is just chopped up cabbage and some carrots. And you can also buy it without carrots. We're just going to add all of that to our pan, and it's about 4 cups. It looks like a lot, but it will shrink down quite a bit. So we're going to stir this up carefully. You can see that the coleslaw mix is already starting to wilt. And I know why they call this cracked slaw, because it's really addictive. It's so good. But if you don't like to call it that, you can just call it egg roll in a bowl. It's all the same. Okay, we're going to let that cook down a little bit more. Okay, our cracked slaw, or egg roll in a bowl, is all ready. So I'm going to put some over here. And I like different types of toppings on mine. I actually cooked a fried egg, and so I'm going to put that on top. And I'm going to top it with some sesame seeds, some black sesame seeds. Makes it really pretty. And some scallions. Okay, let's dive into this. It looks amazing with that perfectly cooked egg, and you just mix it all around. And look at that. So I hope you like this easy cracked slaw, egg roll in a bowl, whatever you want to call it. You can also top this with crushed pork rinds or sriracha or all of the above. It would be amazing with all of those things. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching all of my videos. And you can find this recipe on my blog, jenniferbands.com, and search cracked slaw. Bye.